So kick out, ready, go. Boom, boom, boom. Get this across. Height. Boom, boom, boom. Grab hold of this, right? Make sure you control the sword so they can't come back with it. All right, but don't forget, we already hit him in the wrist, right? Ready, push. Boom, boom, boom. So he thrusts. Watch. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? Let's do this one for the very first easy one. So we're here, he thrusts. I'm going to do that, and look at where that puts me, but I'm going to even enter it more. I'm going to be even closer. Boom, boom. Push this across. Boom, boom. Any of the other stuff we want to do with that. Okay? But you see it? Ready? Do it with me. We'll do it step by step. Ready? Come on, do it with me. Ready? So we're going to call this outside shinoguji blocking, right? So we're going to be here. He tries to ski toward the throat. We're just going to do that. Okay, and back again. Now as we do, we're going to go right to his hand. One, boom. Okay, sit, and come back out. Now stay with me as we do the next part. Ready? Come in. 1, 2. Go right past here, push, and pull. Or strike here. All right? Ready? Or thrust. Ready? One more time. We're here. Kick out. Boom, boom. Keep this control, though. Keep this across. Push your sword across out to the other side. Again, ready? So kick out, ready, go. Boom, boom, boom. Get this across. Right. Kind of like when we do it in 2 and 3, right? We're always like this with this. Think of that as pushing across so you could be doing something. Right? Blocking their sword up for them. One more, then we switch. Ready? They come in, we kick it up, hit. So that one, for the people outside, that one was using this side, which is called Ura side. We're kicking up this way and away. And that's the same side we do in number 2. This is Ura side. This is Ura side. We kick up. See it? We're kicking up and going right in. This time we're going to be using the other side. We're going to be rolling down this way. This is Omote side. The side that sits on your belt outside when you're wearing your sword is Omote. Okay? So we're going from here. We're going to push that way. We're just going to wait for the attack to come in, lift a little bit, and push that way. Wow, what does that look like? That looks like number 3, right? Something's going on here. All right, ready? So we're here, ready? They come in slow, boom. All right? And enter as you do, boom. Walk in behind your block, right? Boom. Ready, right? Boom.